Changing security settings on your Spectrum mobile device can help protect your personal information and enhance your overall security. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access Settings menu. Open your device and locate the Settings app. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu where you can modify various options. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Scroll down the Settings menu until you find the Security or Privacy option. Tap on it to access the security settings where you can manage features like screen lock, password, and biometric options. Step 3. Set up screen lock. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password straight checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. If available, find the option for two-factor authentication or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow the instructions to enable it, which may involve linking your phone number or email for verification. Step 5. Review app permissions. Go back to the main settings menu and select apps or applications. Review the permissions granted to each app and adjust them as necessary to ensure that apps only have access to the information they need. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Spectrum mobile device and protect your personal information. Regularly review these settings to maintain optimal security.